Hello guys, welcome to class 10th D with me. Today I am going to share class 10th and 12th board examination date sheet. Here you can see the circular associated with the date sheet of class 10th and 12th. We start with here are your day, date and time, and subject code and subject name. With the first examination on 15th February is on 10:30 to 1:30 p.m. And in the examinations are English communicative and English language and literature, as you can see. And the next some examinations are with Hindustani music, Rai, Gurung, Tamang, Sherpa, elements of bookkeeping and accountancy, physical activity trainers. You can see all of these, and these will be conducted on 17th February. And then on 18th February, there will be examinations of security, automotive, introduction to financial markets, introduction to tourism, beauty and wellness, agriculture, production, and many more. So after that, on 20th February, there will be science examination, which is common for many boards like CBSE. And then on 22nd February, there will be examination of French, Sanskrit, and on 25th February, there will be a main examination of social science common for all. And then next there will be examination for there will be examination for Urdu, Bengali, all languages like Tamil, Marathi, Gujarati, Manipuri, Urdu, Course B, and all on 27th February. And on 28th February, there will be both Hindi Course A and Hindi Course B examination. And on 1st March, there will be painting examination. And on 3rd March, there will be examination of healthcare. And 5th March, elements of business and retail. And then 6th March, Tibetan, German, National Cadet Corps, Bhoti, Telugu, Telangana, Bodo, and many more languages are included. And then there is a common examination for all, mathematics basics and mathematics standard, which will be held on 10th March. And many of the students face difficulty in mathematics, so prepare well. And then on 12th March, Telugu, Arabic, Russian, Persian, Nepali, Limbu, Lepcha, these all examination will be held. And then music examinations on the same date. And on 13th March, there will be examination of home science. And on 17th March, there will be examinations of Punjabi, Sindhi, Malayalam, Odia, Assamese, Kannada, Kokoborak. And at last we will be having examinations of computer application, information technology, and artificial intelligence. And other issues will be circulated later in the month of December or January. This time the date sheet of 10th and 12th came too early other than last year and all. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. D with me class 10th.